There are a lot of withdrawal proofs from this particular no deposit bonus that I'm about to show you. And as you can see, a lot of people have been able to get this particular no deposit bonus as well, which means you can get it. You can be able to claim it. So all you just have to do is to ensure you watch this video to the very end so that you will not miss out. Alright. And before I proceed, please take out a few minutes of your time just to hit that subscribe button and also like this video and share it with people that you feel might need it. And if you have done that, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Then let's proceed to how you can get this particular no deposit bonus and how you can start trading with it. Now, to get this bonus is very simple. Ensure you check the description or the comment section. You'll find the link to my Telegram channel there. Now, once you click on the link, it is going to direct you to my Telegram channel, and in my Telegram channel is where you will find the link to get this particular bonus. Now, I want you to pay attention so that you will not miss any details on how you can get this. So once you get to their platform, this is what it looks like. As you can see right here, you have to verify that you are human first. Click on verify, and after verifying, then you can proceed to the next phase. It is going to redirect you to somewhere like this where you have to register an account. All right, as you can see, after registering, just click on you agree right here, and then you click on register. So as you can see right here, it is going to direct you to somewhere like this. As you can see, congratulations, your new account has been registered. Alright, so right now, all you have to do is to head over to your email. Now, all you have to do is to click on the confirm email address shown right here. And after clicking on that, as you can see, your email has been verified. Now, you have to proceed to login in by inputting your email and the password you used. So as you can see, this is the interface after logging in. And now I'll show you the step-by-step process by which you need to get this particular no deposit bonus. So the first thing you have to do right now is to check your profile. All right. Just click on the menu button and then go to your profile, and it will direct you to your profile. And as you can see right here, this is our profile. You can see we need to verify our documents, and also if you want the multi-authenticator, you can do it as well. But first we need to verify our documents. So you can just click on the validate right here. Now to verify your document is just going to take some minutes. Alright, so you just have to wait for this particular page to load, and it's going to tell you to upload either your national ID card, your driver's license, or your whatever means of identification. So you just have to upload every single thing, and then you wait for them to get you verified. Now, this verification is just going to take some minutes. All right, it's just going to take some minutes. So after verifying, so this right here is how the interface is going to be after verification. As you can see, I have verified mine already. Now, the next thing to do is to proceed to how you can get this particular no deposit bonus. Like I told you earlier, you have to watch this video to the very end. Now, I'm going to be dropping another link in my Telegram channel, and this is the link which you are going to be using to get the particular no deposit bonus. So after clicking on the second link, this is where it is going to direct you to right here. All right, so after getting here, just click on the next button. All right, click on the next button, and after clicking on it, as you can see right here, promotional account of 1,200 must operate 25 lots. That's the terms and condition for you to be able to withdraw. So you can just take out your time to go through this particular terms and condition right here. All right, and after going through it, you can click on the next. And you confirm right here that you have read the terms and conditions, and then you click on next. So you input your details right here, your name, and then after that you input your email address as well. So after that, it is going to direct you here where you have to upload your file. Right, so as you can see, here is the place. Here, place the screenshot of the email you were informed that you have access to creation of the promotional account. Now you just have to input the screenshot of where you have verified your account. All right, that is what you have to input right here. And as you can see right here, it also said here that if you will activate with code free 1200, leave the space blank. All right, so you can just do either of them. All right, and after doing all of that, then you are going to click on the next button. So right here, select everything, and then you click on submit. All right, so as you can see, your submission is received. Now you just have to wait for some time for you to get an email from them containing your credentials to get the $1,200 no deposit bonus. So as you can see, I just got this right now. I just have to wait for some time for the credentials to be sent to me. All right. I hope you have been able to get yours. And don't forget to take a few seconds to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can keep getting updates like this. And also ensure you join my Telegram channel because this is where I drop updates first before coming to YouTube. All right. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.